Okay, hello again, guys, for another challenge. It's been a while, so yeah, due to holidays, I've live low. I did some, yeah, I kind of rest, so enjoy the holidays. So happy New Year, and welcome again to another challenge. So this one is a SOC analyst level, tier 3 level 2, named Patrick. So again, just a disclaimer, this is a retired challenge already, so we're allowed to do walkthroughs for retired challenges. So as not to violate any rules. So this one is a Patrick Lab. We will investigate an iOS device using ILE app and SQLite browser to identify anomalous user behavior and potential illicit activity. Yeah, so this one is a mobile forensics challenge. So we have here, I think, 15 questions. And just to save you the time, this is actually a very big file, around 4 gig. But I save you the time. Of waiting for the downloads and the parsing to finish. So I have here the downloaded file. This is it. So it's actually very big, 4 gig. So I've already extracted it and zip it. It contains a file system. This one under private. So this is already the contents of the iPhone. All right. We have here a couple of, yeah, it's just CTF iPhone 8. We have here the keychain passwords and PC history as well. So, and what I did completed the extraction by ILE app as well. So is here it is. I put it in the output. This one, ILE app reports. So it's a parser as well. So a parser, data parser for iPhone. So how you run it? So actually, I saved you the time. I did a bit of troubleshooting. So this is how you run it. So it takes some time. Let me show you. I just finished parsing it, but just to show you how to run. Oh yeah, this I'll just recall. So this is how you run it. Python, and this is the command and dash tfs dash I. You point it to the extracted directory or extracted file system, and you indicate where to output the yeah where to put the output by dash O switch, and I put it in this directory. All right. So with that out of the way, we can begin. Oh yeah, and by the way, yeah, this is what ILE app means. So yeah, maybe before we even start. So it means iOS logs, events, and plist parser. Okay, so have a read through it. So this is the link so that you'll get an idea what tool we are using. Yeah, it gives you steps how to install and how to use. Yeah, so it's a good read actually. So we don't just use the tool. It's important to know information how it works as well and about its usage so that you could incorporate it properly in your analysis. Right, so yeah, let's begin the challenge. So yeah, I've opened it. I've opened now the ILE app report generated. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, so what's interesting, we can see all the parsed items here that will be really useful in our investigation moving forward. So yeah, okay, without further ado, let's begin. Number one, personal list. How many items? Oh, by the way, I didn't read the scenario before that. So yeah, this is the scenario. The image was captured from an iPhone of a user who likes to play video games, especially Minecraft. Communicates with friends, but is this user doing something they shouldn't be? We need to identify any kind of anomaly in behavior. Yeah. So that's it. So yeah, number one, how many items were on Patrick's shopping list? So we will be using ILE app in most of the questions. So this one, yeah, there's already a hint here, personal list or yeah, or preferences in iPhone. So this is quite a big list. So we could most likely use Control F here, search for preferences plist. So this one shows you the shopping list. As you can see here, there's iPhone 8 there, iPhone 8, D20 AP, and it's showing us 1 to 4 entries. So yeah, let's see here. Let's see if it coincides with the hint. Yeah, documents. Yeah, and it shows shopping list. Okay, grocery list. Let's see if the 4 is what we're looking for. Okay, yeah, that does it. Right. So yeah, this is the ILA app report. Okay. So there are many sparse items here. So for number one, yeah, personal list. How many items were on Patrick's shopping list? So let's see here. What can we? So Patrick shopping list. So maybe his what's interesting here that can lead us to finding it. Hmm, maybe this one. Okay, right. Grocery list. Yeah, I think we're onto something here. Oh, Hmm. Let's see here. Hmm. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, I think this is it. Energy drink one, bread, hand soap, birthday card. Yeah, so we have four there. The shopping list. Are there anything else that could point to that? Help point to that. Note store SQLite. Hmm. Personal list. Yeah, I think that's it. There's four items there. So yeah, that's how we got it. Okay, number two. What? Catch me if you can. What was the last position of the phone? Okay, let's see here. Uh, how can we? Hmm. Cache. So okay, is there anything sort of cache here? Cache in the SQL. Yeah, cache data here. Hmm. Okay, anything here? Maybe latitude or longitude because we're being asked for a location, right? Last position of the phone. Yeah, so most likely it's a coordinate. Latitude. No, there's nothing here. How about location? Location services. Right, there's nothing here. Okay, is there anything else? Location. Location. Okay, how about this one? As you can see, it's Apple has really has a lot of data within it. So yeah, I don't yeah, I don't claim to be an iOS expert. I think I'm more familiar with Windows. So let's see here. So I'm just trying to find my way around here. Oh, there's nothing. Let's see here if we could. Hmm. Okay, I think we need to search our around. Yeah, I think Google can help us. iOS cache location. Location. Okay, private bar. Mobile library cache. Com Apple routine cache. Okay, it's an SQLite. So I think we have that. Yeah, since we have a copy of the file system here. Let's see here. Just iPhone, private var, mobile, mobile library, cache, caches. Okay, we had it. We have it. Caches com.apple that routine that routined com.apple that routined. Right, found it. Cache.sqlite. Alright, this is the file we're looking for. So let's just. I don't think I have any SQLite browser here, but we can download. Right, so it should be easy to download. Let's set it up. Google browser. Yeah, don't need to install. So this one we will use to open that SQLite database. Okay, download. Okay, Mac OS, Linux. Oh yeah, good. It's an app image. So for this one, we could just make it an executable. I'll show you. Just download, make it an executable, and directly run it. So that's how portable application works. Okay, I think I have my terminal here. Okay, let's see. So CD downloads. Okay, let me just grab the file. Downloads. This one. Properties. Okay. Yeah. Oh no 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 no. Yeah, this is just the user. So yeah. CD paste. SQLite. db.browser. Ah, okay. So chmod plus x db dot. So this one, we just need to make it an executable, and we can now directly execute it from here. Once it have an executable rights, as you can see here, I didn't install it, so that's the beauty of the app image. And now let's just open that database that we found. Okay, let me open the database. Yeah, just bear with me. 6 really takes time. No, 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 not that. So here, we just need to open this. Oh, sorry, what artifact is that again? I think we need to go back. This one. So we need to copy this. Okay, I think we need to browse. We need to browse our way through the directory. Okay, no worries. I think what I'll do is I'll put it in the background here. Okay, we need to open downloads, Patrick, output, output. Yeah, this one. Oh no, no, not the output. The iPhone directory, private var mobile. Okay, mobile library, caches. Yeah, caches. Almost there, guys. Com.apple.routine. Cache. Okay, found it. Ta-da! Okay, and then we can browse the data here. Browse the data. Yeah, browse data. There's a database here that contains longitude and latitude. I think this is it. Okay, so we need to assort the timestamp in descending order. So where do we do that? Descending. Okay, I think this is it. Descending order. Which means this is the latest location, right? Based on the time. Based on the timestamp, right? We're being asked for the latest location. So this is the latest coordinates based on timestamp. I think yeah, I hope you can follow along. So we just need to copy that value. So let's copy this. Copy. Let's see if that's the answer. Okay, that took some time. So yeah, as you can see here, the coordinates positive and negative for the hint. So alright, that's the first coordinates for the z latitude, and the longitude. Yeah, it's negative as per the hint. Let's see if we got it right. Right. Okay, so that's painstakingly long, but we made it. Alright, on to the third question. Take your left shoe up, now put it back on. When was the last reboot performed? Okay, sounds like a riddle. But this one, let's see if there's any reboot parse data here from ILE app. Reboot. There should be, right? Alright, yeah, there is. What's the last reboot? So let's just take the latest timestamp here. So this one, February 14, 2022. Okay, so that's easy. Alright, number 4, Red or Alive. What time was Patrick's Reddit account created? Okay, let's see here. So when we're talking about account creation from any website, so there should be a verification or account confirmation email or account activation. That's pretty common when you are signing up on websites like Reddit, Gmail, etc. So let's see if there's any. Oh, Discord. Yeah, this Gmail label search. Oh, okay, what happened? Most likely the offline. Is there any contents here? Okay, so now let's try to find here Reddit. See if there's anything pertaining to Reddit. Oh, it's still loading. It's not allowing me to search. Okay, Reddit. Seems none. Oh, maybe it's not yet done loading everything. Oh, there's a lot of entries. So of course it will not show Reddit if it's not displayed in the current page. So is there any search? Oh, there's a search here. Reddit. Okay, now we're onto something. This is sorted. Maybe sort this ascending. Oh no. 130 should be the newest. Why is it not showing? Okay, the timestamp seems bug. 130, 121. Oh, this one. Verify your email address. The subject. So yeah, it's working. So this is the timestamp that we are looking for. Okay. Verify your Reddit. Okay, so we're just being asked up to the what? Oh, only the time. Okay, so 21:59:40. Oh, wrong answer. Account created 21:59:40. That's weird. 21:59:40. Are we missing something? Hmm. Let's see here. Yeah, let's see where else can we? Okay, let's get. Is it asking for? No, no, I think it's not asking for a time. Is it? Yeah, it is. Hmm. That's weird. 21, 21, 59, 40. Of course, this is the yeah. Perhaps there's yeah discrepancy somewhere, or maybe it's earlier because creation is earlier before the receipt of the actual verification email. So yeah, what can we do here? What can we do? Is there such a thing as a Reddit? Verify. Hmm. Okay, we know the username here or the email address. So Reddit username, username check. Username check API. Is there such a thing? Okay. Username. Yeah, I think we're. Hopefully, this is not a rabbit hole. How to check available? Okay. Right, Reddit. Yeah. Oh, okay. Hopefully, we're onto something here. User equals. Yeah, let's go back. What's the username? Your email address has been added. Pogprogrammer. Is that his username? Yeah, it's Pogprogrammer. Let's see. Nope, it's not working. Yeah, it's not. Okay. But says here that will be a JSON. Okay, maybe this one 4 years ago. This is newer. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, but there should be. If there's none. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. I think I've been stuck on here, but just bear with me for a while. If not, I'll think of something. Checking user exists. Oh, this one. I think now we're into something. Username exists. User Pogprogrammer. Overview. About post. Okay. Yeah, it says here JSON. API JSON. It's not showing. Oh, if you want to check suspended, you can use so. Okay, I think we need to append this. So since we already seen the page of the user here, let's see here. Okay, now it returns some data here. Is there some sort of creation time created? Create. Okay, UTC. Okay, UTC here. Okay, so this one, most likely this is an epoch timestamp. Oh, epoch Unix timestamp. Yeah, we need to make it human readable. Okay, it's PM, right? So 9:59 p.m. And I think the answer is at military time. So what's the military time for 9 p.m.? Okay, 12 plus 9, 21. 21:59:38. 21:59:38. 21:59:38. Okay, so it's 2 seconds earlier. So okay, so that's why. Let's see. 21:59:38. Okay, another painstaking question, but yeah, we made it. Congrats, guys. Right, number five. What hanging on by a thread? Which application was uninstalled? Again, let's utilize the ILE app. Maybe there's an uninstall here. Install. Yes, there is apps uninstalled. And right, this one, I think, yeah, WeChat. Let's try WeChat. WeChat. Okay, that's an easy one. Not compared to the previous two. Hey, Q. Okay, Q6. What was the message Reddit? Was the message Reddit? What was the content of the message in the last notification received from Reddit? Okay, let's see here. Notifications. Let's see. Notifications. Yeah, is that the. Yeah, at only biome and notifications. Let's see here. Hmm. This is the last to 24. Seems like it. Is there anything we could? Okay, I think we're gonna need some hints here. What's the message Reddit? Ah, okay. So, last notification from Reddit. So, this is the last notification from Reddit based on the timestamp. Cornbread and Gorge still making fun of Cinchas. Let's try this. Alright. Right, 7. Pigment of your imagination. What is the hex code of the color assigned to work events? Again, let's see here if there's any work events, right? Hmm. So most likely calendar. Is there calendar here? Okay, calendar events. Hmm. Work. Is there any work here? Work. No. Calendar list. Hmm. Right, there's a work there. Yeah, there's work. Okay, what's in here? There's nothing. But yeah, the color is purple. So, but we're being asked for the hex code. Calendar. Maybe there's another calendar here. Hmm. Bundle calendar. There's no color here. Okay, so no worries. Maybe since there's a color shown here, so let's just do a hex value for color purple. Yeah, this is tough. There's many shades. Er, how can, yeah, let's see here. What else can we do? Okay, maybe if we open this in SQLite, so we see the location here, calendar list. Yeah, it's showing here the location and it's SQLite DB. So let's try to open that as a workaround. Okay, where is our SQLite DB browser? Let's try to open that location. Okay, let's show here in the background where to open this. So open database. Bar mobile library calendar. Bar mobile library calendar. Hmm, 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 hmm. There you go. Calendar. Calendar.sqlite.tv. Okay, that's weird. All files. This one. Calendar.sqlite.tv. Then yeah, calendar. Okay, I think we're into something here. And there you go. We found the hex value. By the way, doing this exercise, your muscle memory, digital forensic muscle memory will improve because it's not just about uh, using the tool, but how to use it and where to find the exact data that you need. That's the valuable skill in digital forensics. You don't need to memorize the exact location. There are cheat sheets everywhere. Okay, why is it wrong? Okay, let me back up a bit. Because oh yeah, I didn't include the pound at the start. Yeah, as I was saying, yeah, yeah, the core skill of digital forensicator is to be able to have that core skill of knowing how to find a specific artifact by being resourceful and of course using cheat sheets help, but of course it's available on the net, but using all of these things together, that's how you will grow in this area. So it's like finding a needle in the haystack type of skill. But yeah, I think I'm okay. I'm okay. Going back to the top. Okay, number eight, sponsored posts. How many promotion emails were left unread? Okay, so I think we'll go back to the Gmail here. Okay, labels. Unread. So we can see here unread count. Hmm, interesting. Okay, unread. What can we glean from here? Hmm. Okay. What's the question again? promotions. Okay, promo. Yeah, there's unseen count. Yeah, 23 and 24. Maybe let's try. And okay, not that one. Okay, I think we're gonna need some hints on here. Which tools let you enable? Yeah. So that's yeah, we're onto it. The labels already. Or maybe in the offline search. But there's no tag here if it's red already or not. Okay, I think we're gonna have a hard time here. I think we just need to rely on the labels. Let's see if there's a tag. No, there's no column tag saying if it's unread. Okay, I think we really need some hints. Focus on the promo label. So I think that's what we did. Promo. Promo. No. Show. Be aware that the total number might be different. Okay, give us the number here. But it's showing otherwise in here. So I'm not sure. Maybe there's some uh yeah, I think we're on the right track, but it's showing otherwise. So we'll just have to go with 21 on this one based on the hints. Okay, so it's sort of a cheat code. But yeah, in real world, at least you know where to exactly find unread items. But yeah, that's it. Okay, number eight. Oh, sorry, number nine. To infinity and beyond. What alarm sound did Patrick choose? Okay, let's see here. Is there any alarm parse data here? Yes, there is alarms, so it should be an easy one. Okay, bedbot and beyond. Okay, but we're being asked for what alarm sound. So this is the title, and this is the alarm sound. Alright, easy peasy there. Oh, Q9. Alright, so we're almost there. Number 10. Poor reception whether the cellular service of this device expires. Okay, so most likely we're dealing again with emails, notification from their service provider. Oh, comes to mind. So let's see here. Let it finish loading, and then we can do a search. Okay, service expire. Verify. Okay, this one total wireless. Okay, what's the question? Specific. When did the cellular service? Okay, so date. We're being asked for a date. Oh, yeah. February. Okay, February 5, 2022. February 5, 2022. February 5, 2022. Okay, maybe it's a month date. So let's reverse. There you go. Okay, another easy one. Q10. Right, Q11. Locate how you spend your time. Which app had the most amount of screen time? So let's see here. Is there sort of usage here or screen time? Okay, knowledge C. Okay, Chrome app. Okay, I think this one didn't have any aggregation, but of course, we could do this by eyeballing which app appear the most. If there's any export here, but there's no export, so I think we need to visit this specific DV for this app usage. Maybe there's an aggregation there. So let's see. Let me pull up my DB browser SQLite again and show the path in the background. Here we need to open this knowledge c.db library Corduit knowledge. Okay, now we're here. Is there any any aggregation here? No. Custom data. Yeah, nope, there's no app. We're looking for an app in the usage column object. Hmm. Okay, still not doesn't seem to. Mm-hmm. Where could it possibly be? Oh, what happened? This structure. What the source? Is there any usage here? No. Structure metadata. Okay, I think this has. Okay, let's see here. There seems to be no content. Okay, how to iOS font C app with most usage. Okay. Okay. Maybe there's a sort in here. Okay, let's see here again. Okay, all trails. Okay, so I think the answer is just okay. Of course, it's a bit of a cheat code. We know it's a six-letter answer, and we'll just do some eyeballing here. All trails, no, doesn't fit, but you can see here it's being used a lot as well. Two pages, no app store, no maps, no, yeah, doesn't fit. Mobile notes doesn't fit. Mobile Safari preferences. Yeah, it's just 11 pages anyway. Right, we read it. Okay, I think two answers might fit here based on the. So it's either Reddit or Bumble. Let's try Reddit. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I just do some deduction here, but we know where to find it. It's the same database here, the knowledge CDB, and yeah, I think I just need to spend more time here to find ways how to aggregate, but this is where it's derived from as well. Okay, SQ11. Okay, 12. Kigarumis are scary. What animal Patrick is Patrick's Reddit avatar wearing? Okay. Ha ha ha. Patrick avatar. Count data. See here. Hmm. Hmm. I wonder how can we solve this? Hmm. Account. Okay, there's a lot of accounts here. Bumble account details, but this is Bumble. Reddit. We need the Reddit. Okay, how to find this thing? Maybe we need the hint. Oh no, we don't have action set up. Okay. Okay, so this is the container. Okay, I think we need to open again our DB browser. Private bar mobile containers. Shared. Okay, so this is where app specific like Reddit store their accounts. So sort of a serial number C0D243 ending with. Okay, this is it. Library application support accounts. Okay. Okay, there's a specific this one. Okay, it's encrypted, but we found the account details. So if we're going to open that again, Reddit rename. Let's grab that. We know now the username. Oh, we have here. We found the programmer earlier. Oh, I think I've exited it. Username. Oh, this one. Oh, this, yeah, this one. This one. Okay, that's weird. That exists. Okay, I think. Hmm, that is weird. Okay, maybe let's use it to search here. Home. Is there a global search here? No. That is stuff. Device data. Hmm. Maybe in the email. There's nothing. I think we need to do some action here. Is there any pictures here or pictures? Ping. Image. No. Okay. Fine. Okay, this is stuff. Yeah, it's just a file. Cannot be opened. But yeah, we found the accounts. Maybe. Right username way back. Maybe it's been deleted, but yeah. Just trying to scrape it off the Wayback Machine. See if there's any archive pages. Yeah, seems like it's deleted. I will try this page. Oh, that's too bad. Oh, that's bad. Okay, nothing here. Okay, I think we're out of cards now. But can we open it? No. It's really asking for. use the same password. Nope. Oh, embodied format. SQLite. Oh, maybe we just open it as it is. Yeah, I've lost my thoughts there. Okay. How do I found this? Yeah, maybe. Let's just try to open it. Let's try. Var mobile accounts. Hmm. Maybe let's see if we could cat within it. So this is a last resort attempt. Bar mobile containers shared. Z0. Okay, found it. Now what we'll do here is let's try to open. No. So we'll try to do a scene, a terminal. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's really encrypted. But there's a link here. Okay. Reddit. Yeah, there's a link here. Is it pointing to any noticeable Reddit user? It's denied. Maybe let's do a grep dash I. Hmm. Copy link. Yeah, there's another link. Okay, I think. Okay, that took a long time. So yeah, what animal? So it's an owl. Alright, so see, we didn't give up on that, and we finally found it. Q12. I think that's the toughest so far. Alright, almost there. A day without sunshine. What is the name of the GIF sent to Patrick in a message on Bumble? Yeah. So let's see here. I think most likely, yeah. There's Bumble messages here. Okay, what's the question again? GIF sent to Patrick on Bumble. Okay, notice anything here? So this stands out. Giphy is a GIF source. It's a website that contains many GIFs, so this will lead us to the answer, most likely. Okay, what's the name? Okay. Uh-huh. What, what else can we see here? Hmm. Is there any name for this GIF? Oh, what happened? Embed. Thirsty. Copy link. Yeah, it should show the name of the GIF. Okay, this one. Thirsty Steve Martin. GIF. Thirsty Steve Martin GIF. Yeah, let's see here. Oh, Steve Martin. Yeah, so the dot in the hint most likely Martin. Okay, I think I got it wrong. Thirsty. All right. So yeah, we just get the file name here, and based on the hint, there's no space, and it's asking for a extension name here. So that's how we got the answer. Hello. Okay, now to question 14. What the heck? Which cardinal direction was Patrick moving when he took the live photo? Okay, I think let's see here if there's any photos here. I don't think there is anything for the ILA app photos. Oh, there is, but this would be a bit tough. It's asking for a direction. Photo. Hmm, this will be tough. As these are all text. So there's doesn't seem to be. Okay, I think we need some hints on here. Analyze live photo in the dataset. Okay, I think I need to reopen that. Downloads. Okay, let me see again the file. Okay, here. Um. Okay, photo. All right, that's the thing. Maybe we'll use another hint. Live photo in the dataset. Okay, Action. So this was solved using Action. I guess we need the last hint. Live photo. But yeah, just to be out of curiosity, where's the photo dataset? Photo location, iPhone. Photo location directory. Yeah, I'm not familiar. This seems to be. Okay, this doesn't seem mobile. Yeah, that's the thing. Can't find it. Okay, I guess we'll go with the hint in here. Okay, I think let's just play with the hint in here, but hmm live photo. But yeah, is there any photo here? Photo. No, it's not a photo location. Oh, we have here private bar mobile media. Private bar mobile. Bar mobile. Private bar mobile media. Oh, okay. These are the photos. Oh, it's empty. But this I am. Okay, this is the camera. Okay, at least we found a photo location here. Let's try to open. Right, but it's a Hake file, so most likely this one. Right, it's not opening up. Okay, there you go. Alright, so the hint points to 142 Twin Oak there. 142 Twin Oak. Okay, okay, those are dumbbells. Houseplant. Okay, nice. At least we found the directories containing the photos. Okay, is there anything that give us possible location? Alright, I don't think. Yeah. Okay, I guess we'll go with this. Street View. Google Street View. Okay, let's see what it does. Google Street View. Google Street View. Okay, it's a Google Map. Yeah, I wonder what's. Is it facing north? North. Okay, I think this is the one in the picture, right? Let's see. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. Okay, I give up. Oh no, it's an. Oh, it's facing west. Based on the compass below. This one. Okay, is it? Let's see again. If I paste this and do a street view, a street view, is it west? Yeah, it's a four character, so I think we just have two answers. So, okay, so it's east. Okay, Q15, location, location, location. But when did Patrick first search for IP? For a website revealing his IP address, so the likes of what is my IP address and IP chicken. So those are the types of website that reveals your current public IP address used. So this one, let's see if there's any here. Yeah, already in the search term category here. Let's see if there's anything. Yeah, as you can see here, there's what's my IP. And as you can see, this is sorted ascending order of timestamp. So this is the very first occurrence. We're going to use a tool like unfurl here, this one. So the beauty of this is this, it will break down the URL parameters for you because as you can see here, the search term is quite very long. There are many parameters appended by ampersand, and the others are seeming like serialized or base64. I don't know. So how do we make sense of it? Using this tool. So what it does is it will break down the URL parameters for us. Okay, let's see here. Proto. Yeah. So per section, it's trying to break it down. What does it mean? So is there anything here that will lead to timestamp? So there's the client. Okay. See here. Timestamp. 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 I think it's further on the right side of the query. Let's see here. Safari. Okay, pretty long. Okay, you see how complicated this URL is. Unfurl. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure I found it yet. Hmm. Hmm. Hi, babe. Okay, I think we've scrolled too fast. I think it's somewhere here. There should be a timestamp here. Okay, I think yeah, this is the one. EI timestamp. So, okay, as you can see here, there's even a tooltip here. Oh, okay, and it even derived the timestamp for us. So this one. So this is the timestamp. 220 0116. Does it coincide here? No. Okay. Why is it wrong? Hmm. Timestamp doesn't seem to match. Oh. Let's see. I think we need to copy this raw. Copy 164 epoch. Or maybe epoch timestamp. Unix timestamp. Okay, 164234. 164234. 164234. 168278. 168278. 168278. 9711. Okay, think it's not working. Okay, so this one is I think it's Hmm. So January 16. 16 168 278. Yeah. January 16. So what's the. Okay, let's try this answer. 0116 2022. 140122. 1401. Hmm. It's wrong. Okay, I think we need another converter. Maybe CyberShop. I think it's not converting properly. Okay. From Unix timestamp. Hmm. One six- Yeah, why is unfurl should give it a. Okay. Yeah, unfurl gave us this timestamp. Why is it wrong? Yeah, it's the same time that we got. Maybe the other. Is it the other? But this is. Oh, they have the same timestamp. Yeah, here, the parse timestamp. Maybe this is the one we're looking for. Yeah, I think it's the other search term. Let's see here. Yeah, it's the same. It's the same though. Okay, what if there's another converter? Yeah, it's giving this one. Okay, let's do some hints. Decode. Okay, let's do a decode. Okay, what's the answer? Yeah, this is a bit hard to use. It's not showing any. Hey, that's weird. Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. This challenge is really quite hard, and I'm not really an expert in iPhone forensics, but yeah, I hope you learned a lot, and let me know in the comments how did you solve the last part. But yeah, in terms of searching the related artifact being asked, that we are able to show where can you find the specific uh, digital artifact or forensic artifact. It's just that it's not matching the expected answers. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this short on this one and hope to see you in the next challenge. Yeah, share in the comments how did you solve the last part. And all right, okay, thank you guys.